The foreach command is a powerful tool in Splunk SPL that allows you to iterate over multiple fields and apply eval expressions to them. This command is particularly useful when you need to perform the same operation on multiple fields that match a specific pattern or wildcard. Instead of writing separate eval statements for each field, foreach provides an efficient way to process multiple fields simultaneously. This makes your search queries more concise and maintainable, especially when dealing with datasets that have many similar field names. The basic syntax of the foreach command follows a simple structure. You start with the keyword foreach, followed by a field pattern that specifies which fields you want to process. This field pattern can be a wildcard, a specific field name, or a comma-separated list of fields. After the field pattern, you provide an eval expression enclosed in square brackets. This eval expression will be applied to each field that matches your specified pattern. The syntax is designed to be intuitive and follows the standard Splunk command structure that most users are already familiar with. Field patterns in the foreach command give you flexibility in selecting which fields to process. Wildcard patterns are the most common approach. You can use an asterisk to match all fields in your dataset, or combine it with text to match specific patterns. For example, temp_* would match fields like temp_1, temp_2, and so on. Similarly, *_count would match fields ending with _count. You can also specify exact field names separated by commas, or use a single field name if you only want to process one specific field. Let's look at a practical example of the foreach command in action. Here we start by creating 3 temperature fields with values in Celsius using the eval command. We have temp_1 set to 70 degrees, temp_2 set to 85 degrees, and temp_3 set to 92 degrees. Then we use the foreach command with the pattern temp_* to match all our temperature fields. The eval expression multiplies each field by 1.8 and adds 32, which is the standard formula for converting Celsius to Fahrenheit. This single foreach command effectively converts all our temperature fields from Celsius to Fahrenheit. The double angle bracket field double angle bracket token is a special placeholder used within the foreach command's eval expression. This token represents the current field name being processed during each iteration. When the foreach command executes, it automatically replaces this token with the actual field name for each field that matches your pattern. This dynamic replacement allows you to reference both the field name and its value within your eval expressions. The field token is essential for creating flexible expressions that can work with any field name that matches your specified pattern, making your code reusable and scalable. This advanced example demonstrates more complex usage of the foreach command. We start by creating 3 sales fields representing quarterly data: sales_Q1 with 1000, sales_Q2 with 1200, and sales_Q3 with 900. The foreach command targets all fields matching sales_*. The eval expression calculates what percentage each quarter represents of the total sales, which is 3,100. We use the round function to limit the result to 2 decimal places and create new fields with _PCT suffix. This shows how foreach can be used for data analysis tasks like calculating percentages across multiple related fields. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.